Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how we can easily do the flicker effect for Shotcut. So let's start. First, what we are going to do is we need to zoom in for our media file. Okay, let's zoom in like here. And let's say that I want to make flicker effect right here. So what I'm going to do is really easy. What you need to do is just put it at the playhead, just press S and move with the arrow, one cut, and like this. I'm going to do it a lot so we have a good flicker effect. Okay. And I want him to start. Yeah, it's okay. So he's going, now it's going to be flicker effect, and then he's going to move. Now what you need to do is to delete every second keyframe. So let's zoom in even more. Hi. Oh my god. So now I'm going to delete every second keyframe. Like this. Okay. And these. So now when we have it, we should have amazing flicker effect. So let's see it. Okay, it was rendering. Voila, this is how we make the flicker effect for Shotcut. And it's really pretty easy. So if this video was helpful, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. Thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see ya in the next video.